What type of life insurance do I need? We all have different financial responsibilities, so no one type of life insurance coverage is inherently better than another. What's most important is finding the solution that works best for your personal financial situation. There are two main types of life insurance policies to consider: term and whole life insurance. Term life insurance offers protection for a set period of time, or a term. As the policyholder, you can choose your term, typically between 10 to 30 years. It's often the less expensive of the two options, as term life insurance policies come with an expiration date. Once that term ends, so does your coverage. It's best for those who have greater coverage needs for a certain period of time, such as while your family is still growing. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, lasts for a lifetime, subject to payment of premiums and terms of conditions of policy. With each payment you make, a portion of it is set aside for a rainy day, which becomes your policy's cash value. If your car breaks down or you have an unforeseen medical expense, you can borrow against your policy's cash value, often at a favorable rate. Another reason people are often drawn to whole life insurance is the fixed premium rate. Your premium rate is locked in so that, even if your health status changes, the amount you pay for life insurance will always stay the same. For parents, that means you'll be paying the same rate when you're holding your first grandchild as you did when you held your first child. One common type of whole life insurance policy is guaranteed issue whole life insurance. It's designed for those ages 50-85 who want to apply for life insurance without answering health questions or taking a medical exam. So you get the coverage you need without the hassle you don't. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.